Hey Tartlets, it's Iggy. Welcome back. I am super excited to show you guys this look that I created for you guys. It was something super fun I wanted to do since school is back, fall is here, everybody's back to school now. So that means prep rally season, homecoming and everything are starting to come slowly but surely to do something a little bit more fun and festive for you guys, and hopefully this will inspire you too. So if you guys want to see all the products I use in today's video, or you want to just get some simple inspiration from today's look, just keep on watching. So jumping straight into this eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and use our Goals eyeshadow palettes. This eyeshadow palette, you have 27 eyeshadows that are so gorgeous and they're so buttery and so smooth to the touch. There's so many color choices in this eyeshadow palette so that you can create something neutral, simple and perfect for every day, and then those days where you want to do something fun and bright and colorful, you also have that option too, and that's why I also love this palette. Now to help me create today's look, I'm going to go ahead and also use our A+ brush set. In this brush set you get 3 eye brushes, you get a buffing eyeshadow brush, you get a flat tapered eyeshadow buffing brush, and then you also get a pencil eye brush. So my school colors were garnet and gold, and garnet's more of the reddish side here, like the eyeshadows, like right here. So this side is going to be perfect for creating this look. So I'm going to start by taking that very first shade on the very top here. It's this yellow shade called Live on the Edge. And what I'm going to do is take my blending brush and I'm just going to buff this in the crease and buff it out. So next shade I'm going to go in now with is Tag Me. It's this beautiful burgundy reddish shade, and I'm just going to pop this on the outer corner of the eye and then bring it to the center. So next shade I'm going in now with is Selfie. It's this like peachy gold, and I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner of the eye and then bring it a little bit to the center. So for mascara now, I'm going to go ahead and take our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara and just apply a few light coats of that. Alright, so next up is highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and take our Whipped Gleam highlighter. This is an iridescent, creamy, just absolutely gorgeous highlighter. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the highest point of my cheekbones. You don't need a lot of product, you need just a tad bit. I'm also going to go ahead and take my pencil brush too and just dip a little bit into the Whipped Gleam and then pop this in the inner corner. So for lips today, I'm going to go ahead and take our Sugar Coats of Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Cupcake. Now to jazz the look up a bit, I'm going to go ahead and take our Laura Whitting Tarte Pro Lash Adhesive, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some little gems on the face. I might do a little bit around the brows, maybe around the outer corner of the eye here. We're just going to play around and see. Alright guys, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I hope this really inspired you guys to do something fun and different and creative. I want you guys to comment down below what your guys' school colors are, because I'm super curious to know. And all the products that were mentioned and used in today's video will be linked down below in the description box for you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.